Hi everybody, Big Red here with my second review. I'm at Pat's Point here in Bowron Lakes Provincial Park. Another beautiful place to do a review of this great pot set. This pot set is new for us this year and it's the GSI Glacier pot set. It works perfectly for our family of 4 because it's got everything you need to cook and eat contained in this one unit. And as you can see, it's got a black containing bucket which can be used to wash everything once you're finished. So this is great if you currently have a whole set of different loose mugs and bowls and plates and pots and pans. The way it works is you just pull this apart. Right in the top is a frying pan. 4 plates, 4 plastic plates, which we actually don't use very much. A great lid, which has tiny little holes here, you can see, for the steam to escape. And then inside, there's 4 nested, here I'll go like this so you can see it. Oops. Like this, you'll see 4 different colors, green, blue, red, and orange. They're nested inside the small pot. And each one of these has a mug with a lid so you can sip out of it and a slightly larger bowl. We use this for our coffee in the morning, our kids use it for hot chocolate, and then we'll eat our meals, our dinner, and our breakfast out of these bowls. It really works well. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we hide in the 4th the pot holder. And this is really great because as you can see, it's got a lever which, for the 2 pots, it allows you to latch the pot on. So it's easy to hold on to and it's really safe. It works with both pot sizes. This larger pot is looks like it's 3 liters. It's great, and you can see it's really great for cooking. If you can zoom in there, you can see that there's markings that show you how much volume of water or other product would fit in each pot. And again, it's great because if you go all the way back to the frying pan, the frying pan holder, which it now becomes, works there as well. So if you're looking for a really compact, easy to use pot set for a family of 4 or a group of 4 on a backcountry trip, the GSI Glacier pot series is a great way to go. We're super happy with it. Happy adventuring. Bye-bye.